Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add auto roles to your Discord server. So go to this website carl.gg. This is a bot, so select login with Discord on the homepage and just log in. I'll be right back, hold on. And once you're in, select authorize. I'm just going to select my server to get started and select continue. Select authorize again, and you are going to go to auto roles. Here you can just select an option. I'm just going to choose this one, and then these roles will be assigned to any new members who join. So if somebody joins your server, it's going to be automatically, they're gonna automatically have a role. So just press save, and then that's it. So whenever somebody joins your Discord server, they will be given a role automatically, and you don't have to do it one by one. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!